Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-end comparison review between these two AI presentation maker, which is Plus AI and Slide AI. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Plus AI in 2025, Plus AI is one of the best for professionals who need polished branded presentation without starting from the scratch. It integrates directly with Google Slide and PowerPoint and can turn PDFs or text into text. It gives strong customization with themes and branding tools. This makes it ideal for teams or businesses that cares about consistency and control. While Slice AI, on the other hand, focus more on speed and simplicity, quickly converting text or prompt into a slide deck with a ready-made layout and speaker note. It's perfect for students, educator, or anyone who need a quick desk on the fly, though the design can feel more basic. So in conclusion, Plus AI wins for professional use and customization, while Slide AI is better for fast, no-frill presentation. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.